Hey there, we're back with another lesson on Writing Task 1, and for this lesson, we're going to look at how to answer multiple graph questions. Let's go. Multiple graph questions have been popping up for the writing section quite a lot recently, and they're becoming more common. A lot of the time, students tend to panic when they see that they have to interpret two different types of data. But that being said, we need to be prepared for this so that if it comes up during your paper, you will know how to tackle it. For this question type, you will have to identify correlations in both graphs presented to you and make contrasts between them. The graphs presented to you can either be a combination of the following: bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, and table charts. If you know how to answer these question types, you won't have too much of a problem answering multiple graph questions. If you'd like to refresh your memory, you can check out the previous lessons. Right, so let's look at the strategy we can follow when it comes to this question type. As always, the first step you're going to want to do is analyze the question. This will give you a fair idea of the data. See what you can compare and contrast and what details are closely related. Next, you're going to identify the main features. Here, you'd be looking out for correlations, the highest and lowest values, etc. Following that, you'll build your essay. Keep in mind the 4-paragraph structure. Once you've got your plan sorted, start writing your introduction. Here, remember to paraphrase the question. That is really important as it will contribute to your lexical resource score. You will then go on to write your overview. Here, you will present a general summary of the data. Do not use any numbers. You can summarize both charts or graphs separately. After that, you're going to go on to write your detailed paragraphs. For this question type, what you could do is, detailed paragraph 1 could be about the first chart or graph, and the second detailed paragraph could be about the second chart or graph. Here are a couple of tips for writing this question type. When you are analyzing the data, look out for keywords or topic words. This will help boost your lexical resource score. Also, see where you can substitute words with synonyms. Keep an eye out for action words like compare or describe. Next, identify what is being displayed. Is there a key? Also, look at the axis, the title of the graph or chart if there's any, and also the years that are mentioned. This will help you decide the tense you use and also help you get a better understanding of the graph. When it comes to looking out for major features, seek out the trends. Any major features that involve trends or changes over time work, and this could include things like increases, decreases, fluctuations, or patterns. Also, highlight the extreme patterns. This will help you when it comes to including it in your overview paragraph. Remember, you do not have to write out every feature that you see. Just pick out 2 to 4 max and split it between 2 paragraphs. Also, remember that coherency and consistency are crucial parts which will significantly contribute to your score. Proper paragraphing and logical organization are a must as well. Just stay focused on maintaining a well-balanced overview of all the charts without overlooking any significant details or trends. And of course, practice, practice, practice. I'll see you for the next lesson where we'll cover the final question type, which is table questions, and how to answer them, so stick around.